here is the mini blender. As you can see, here is where you put your contents, and the blender part is right there. On the top you have your little charging port and then your stop and start button. I love how it looks like there's little drips in the design. And after you are done blending, you can then take this top off. And then just put the lid right on. And then you just put the lid right on, as you can see, and then you can attach this to any of your things, and so you can attach it to like a purse or a bag or something. And it does come with a charger and a brush to help clean it as well. Overall, it is super cute, super quick, super efficient. You can take it on the go with you since it is wireless and you charge it. Overall, I do love the design. I love the color. I love the look to it and how unique it is. And it does tell you a max line on the back as well, so you're not overfilling it. But overall, I definitely recommend this.
So I've got this really compact little portable blender here that is so cool. You can see you've got a max fill line there, so you put your drink inside of here, and then you just twist on the lid. You want to make sure your lid is on there all the way, and then you got your power button right there at the bottom, and you just tap it twice, and it will go for 40 seconds at a time. Right here is your power button, and then right there is your charging port. So I'm going to lift this up here so you can see your charging port right there. It comes with a charging cable. And then whenever you get done making your drink, you can take it with you on the go with this little lid here and just turn this into a nice little portable drink. So I'm going to show what this looks like on here. So I got the lid on there, and it even has a little handle there that you can hold on to it if you want. This is retractable, so it also goes back in there. Very cool.
This is such a cute little mini portable blender. It saves me from having to pull out the big blender every morning. Perfect size just for a, one person if you're just making like a smoothie, or this is super cute. I love it. It's very lightweight, very easy to use. And then also what I love is it comes with the top for your cup, which is pretty cool. So everything is done like right in here. You got a cleaning brush and it's rechargeable, so a charger. Very good quality.